Hey guys, welcome to the third video in this tutorial series on version control. So in the previous video, I talked about one bad practice followed in version control. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your GitHub username and email so that you don't have to give the credentials every time you make any changes. So let's first look into how you download Git. I guess I had shown this in the previous video, but this is for those people who have missed that one. So visit the official website git-scm.com, go to the downloads section, select your operating system, and now it should automatically determine and download the suitable version. But in case this does not happen, you can always select your configuration and download Git for yourself. So once you're done setting up with Git, you can follow up along with this video. So now I'm going to be using the inbuilt command line provided by Visual Studio Code. So the command we're going to be talking about today is git config. This command is used to set up various configurations, and today we're going to set up two configurations which are the most required ones is your username and user email. So one thing I'd like to bring to everyone's notice is we're going to use the global flag. Now the global flag indicates that you're going to use this configuration for every repository on this system. So since I want my username and user email to be present with every repository's files, I wouldn't want to set it up every once in a while. So to configure your username, just type in git config dash global user.name and provide it your name. And now it set it up for me. To set up your email, follow a similar procedure and just give it your email. And once you print enter, it has set it up for you. That's how simple it is. Do like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.